In this video, I will show you how to clean your house of lice. Dealing with a lice infestation in your home can be stressful, but with the right cleaning methods, you can effectively eliminate these pesky parasites. Lice can survive away from the human scalp for a limited time, so it's important to thoroughly clean your living space to prevent reinfestation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to clean your house of lice. 1. Launder bedding and clothing. Start by removing all bedding, including sheets, pillowcases, blankets, and any stuffed animals from infested areas. Wash these items in hot water, at least 130 degree F or 54 degree C, to kill lice and their eggs. Dry the bedding and clothing on the hottest setting for at least 20-30 minutes. Vacuum thoroughly. Vacuum your entire home, focusing on bedrooms and areas where infested individuals have spent time. This helps remove lice, nits, and loose hair containing lice. After vacuuming, immediately dispose of the vacuum cleaner bag or empty the canister into a sealed plastic bag and discard it outside your home. 3. Personal items and clothing. Wash or dry clean personal items like clothing, hats, scarves, and hair accessories that may have come into contact with lice. For items that cannot be laundered, seal them in a plastic bag for a few weeks to ensure any lice or nits die off. Disinfect brushes and combs. Soak hairbrushes and combs in hot water, at least 130 days or 54 degrees C, for 10-15 minutes. You can also use specialized lice-killing solutions. Furniture and surfaces. While lice are unlikely to survive on furniture for long, clean and vacuum upholstered furniture and car seats, especially where infested individuals rested their heads. Wipe down hard surfaces with a damp cloth or disposable disinfectant wipes. Lice-killing products. Consider using lice-killing sprays or powders on furniture and other household surfaces, following the manufacturer's instructions. Avoid sharing personal items. Encourage family members not to share personal items, such as combs, brushes, hats, and headphones during a lice infestation. Maintain hair care. Continue to check and treat the hair of infested individuals as needed to prevent reinfestation. In conclusion, thorough household cleaning is a crucial aspect of lice treatment. However, it's essential to treat the infested person's hair using appropriate over-the-counter or prescription lice treatments, as recommended by a healthcare professional. Repeated treatments may be necessary to ensure complete elimination of lice and nits, and regular hair checks can help prevent reinfestation. Summary. Cleaning your house of lice involves washing bedding and clothing, thorough vacuuming, cleaning personal items, disinfecting brushes and combs, addressing furniture and surfaces, using lice-killing products, avoiding sharing personal items, and maintaining hair care. Combining these steps with effective hair treatments is key to eradicating lice infestations. Regular vigilance and prevention are essential to keeping your home lice-free.